What's going on, everybody? Today, I'm back with another video, and we are in Great Wolf Lodge now, and I feel like this is my first hotel room, but I've been in one when I was little. Let's show you it. House tour. Dude, it's so nice. Nice TV. Look at this. Coffee. This is all of our room. A nice little TV. All this stuff. Nice little thing over there. Bathroom. Oh, let me check the bed if it's good.
You want to see the fridge?
Let me check this bed. Oh, this bed's good. Oh, there's a fridge?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I didn't even realize. What's in there?
Waters.
Okay. Get some. You could get some.
Is it cold?
Yeah, freezing cold. Here you go.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Where's. What's in the chest? What's this chest, guys? How do you open this? How do you I forgot how to open the chest. I can't do it.
Come on, dude.
I forgot.
Oh man, it's pretty
Maybe
hard.
it's not meant to open.
It's pretty hard.
Come on, dude.
I really want to see
Open
it.
it.
Maybe it's just for show.
Yeah.
Wait, how does it
Put your
open?
feet on.
Wait. Oh, it's
Yeah, it's like rock hard. Wait, can we get like drinks and like snacks?
Yeah, we can bring food with you.
What's in here?
I want
What's
some
in-
coffee.
Let's make some coffee.
This is so nice.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed that hotel tour. Peace out. Goodbye.